Welcome to the advanced tutorial. Before you start, please read the content on printed guide carefully. Let's get started now. Time to break out your transfer film and accessories. When the top left corner of the film is rounded, that side is the printing side. And we recommend using 5-color DTF inks to get a perfect transfer. Let's see the difference between these two types of printing. We noticed that some people only have sublimation printers and 4-color sublimation ink. We have some solutions for you to make the transfer even better. Sprinkle the powder on the pattern when the ink is wet. Let the powder cover the pattern and shake off the excess powder. Melt DTF powder with an oven. Please make sure all powder is melted. Pre-press the garment for 2 to 5 seconds before the transfer. This will flatten the fabric. Place the film on the fabric and fix it with heat-resistant tape to avoid shifting during the transfer. Put the Teflon sheet on the pattern to protect the clothes. For special fabrics, set the temperature and time according to the melting point. Wait for cooling. Peel off the film in a slow, continuous motion. Congratulations! You did it! The 5-color DTF ink offers high color reproduction and a silky smooth feel. All colors are 100% restored, including white or off-white. No flaking, peeling, or cracking. It is washable and fade-proof. Fantastic! We can't wait to see your perfect idea. Come and share it. Your support means everything to us. White ink is not just a pattern background color, but a key component in color mixing. The absence of white ink can lead to a lower ink output for related colors, poor adhesion of powder to areas with thin ink, and ultimately missing or cracked colors in the transferred pattern. For a perfect transfer, we recommend using professional DTF 5-color ink and Beryzol Transfer products. Don't get discouraged if you encounter any issues. Check out the video tutorial and user manual, and give it another go.